Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you the Mani X Me box from November. So I know I said I was trying to get these up earlier in the month. I don't know what happened to November, but it just flew by. So if you're seeing this on the last couple days of November, this is your last chance to grab this month's box. I did see though that for Black Friday, I don't know if they normally do this, but I did see a Black Friday ad for it, that they were releasing some of the Mani X Me products individually as well. So definitely go check those out. But let's go ahead and unbox the November Mani X Me box. This is the Gingerbread House Collection. And I don't even think I looked at what this collection was going to be. So let's get into it. It is all nicely wrapped up for us. So here is our sticker this month. It says Sun-Kissed Style. It's got seashells and flowers on it. I do feel like maybe this was left over from the summertime, but either way, super cute. Then here is our bonus gift for this month. Let me read what it is. It says, finish your look with frosting, a clear white reflective glitter that adds a touch of holiday magic to your manicure. This highly reflective glitter sparkles brightly under Christmas lights, giving your manicure a twinkling glow. So let's open it up just to take a look. Sounds like a chrome, maybe? Maybe not a chrome, but maybe like a glitter. I would have to play around with this. I don't know if it's more like a for sugared effect or if it's going to be more like a chrome. Then getting into our polishes. Looks like we got 2 stamping polishes. And I feel like these stickers always come off. Maniology, if you can please figure out how to get your stickers to apply better to the bottle. Okay, so these are the 2 stamping polishes. We have Marshmallow, which is this creamy white. It's definitely not your stark white, like I think it's called Bam White. It is your stark white. This is not quite an ivory. It's definitely a marshmallow color. And then this one is Cookie Crumbs, which is a pretty brown, definitely giving like a chocolate chip cookie. Maybe it's not quite as dark as a gingerbread as I would imagine, but in that realm of cookies. And then here are our 2 exclusive stamping plates. This one is M140. So we do have some gingerbread stencils. So these would be like the gingerbread cookie, and then this would be the outline icing detail. And then we have some individuals as well. I did get, I think it was last year, I got a gingerbread plate from them that I really enjoyed. And then this one is M139. This has some different patterns. I don't particularly care for these patterns, but what I do like is these French tips over here. We have like a peppermint swirl, a striped one. Here's another peppermint swirl, and then kind of like an icing with sprinkles in it. Those are super fun. So here's an overview of the Gingerbread House Collection from the Mani X Me box. Super cute. Again, I'm excited to play around with this. These 2 are the perfect colors to do gingerbread icing type of designs. And I do really like the gingerbread cookie plate. I'm not a fan of this other one. It kind of has some random designs in it. Even I was looking at the card that they included. I don't really care for this design. And I am a Maniology brand ambassador. I will leave my discount code up on the screen as well as in the description box down below. You cannot use it on the subscription boxes. They are already a great deal. I actually pay for the subscription boxes myself. They did not send this over to me, but they do send me over goodies from time to time. And I do let you guys know, but I generally love this company, and their stamping system is really easy to use. They have some other fun stuff. Like last month they had the fuzzy powder that I still haven't played with, that I want to as well, and then this one as well. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my unboxing videos. Make sure to subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.